Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers the different payment options you have as a Scopito customer. Let's get started. Clients working with Scopito will have two payment structures to choose from. One option is our pay-as-you-go plan, which is covered in a separate tutorial, and the second option is our enterprise plan. The two systems are similar, but the pay-as-you-go charges on a per upload or inspection basis, whereas the enterprise plan is a contractual-based program offering flexible pricing based on higher volume. As an enterprise client, when we create an inspection, we will upload our inspection images, select to upload for existing or new assets, and this would typically be where the pay-as-you-go system would show you the price per asset. But for enterprise, the billing system is decoupled from the front end, thus we will just select the number of assets that we are uploading images for. Aside from this hassle-free uploading, the other difference between the pay-as-you-go and enterprise plans is the pricing. On the enterprise program, Scopito offers flexible pricing tiers for various considerations, such as large volume assets, multi-year or incremental inspections, or long-term archival image assets, just to name a few. Be sure to contact a Scopito representative for a free consultation to discuss all the benefits of the enterprise system. Thank you for taking time to view this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.